Hello friends, welcome to Ultimate Education Center study videos. If you have not so far subscribed it, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get our all notification of newly added videos. Hello friends, today we are with the explanation of 11th Biology chapter, The Living World, Part 3. In English explanation. Here again I am Farooqsir with you. Now let us start the explanation. Now the first topic is taxonomical categories. What is taxonomy after all? The taxonomy is the process of classification on the basis of external and internal structure along with the internal structure of the cell, then development process and ecological information. This is known as taxonomy, and while studying it systematically, the category is a rank or level in our hierarchical classification. In this we will come across with some headings like species, genus, family, order, class, phylum for animals and division for plants, and then the last is kingdom. All the organisms in the plant and in animal kingdoms have species as their lowest category. Now the species. What is the species? Species, we can say, a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. What that means? That they are natural population of individuals, or we can say a group of population which resembles with one another in all essential morphological and reproductive characters. They are put in the same species. Right? Why it is so? Because they are put in same species, so they are able to interbreed freely and produce fertile offspring. We can take the example of mango. Mango is a species, and the name of mango is Mangifera indica. Right? So mango is a species and indica is the genus. Likewise, we say that each genus may have one or more than one specific epithets, as I explained just now the name of mango, right? But they may have some morphological similarities. Human being also, they are put in a species which is called sapiens. This sapiens is group of the genus of Homo. That's why the scientific name for human being is written as Homo sapiens. Now the second step in taxonomical categories is genus. What is genus? We can say genus, it's a group of related species which resembles one another in certain correlated characters, and all the species of genus, they are presumed to have evolved from a single common ancestor. Likewise, I give you example of potato and brinjal. They are two different species, no doubt, but both belong to the genus Solanum. Another example for animals I give you, the lion, tiger, leopard, they are put in same genus, that is Panthera, right? Because they are very closely related species and they are having some common resemblance. That's why they are put in the same genus, that is genus Panthera. This genus differs from one another, right? Which includes cats also. Cat is also a mammal, but it is included in phylis. Now the next high category in taxonomical categories is family. Family has a group of related genera with still less number of similarities as compared to genus and species, and they are characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive features. Example, if we take in plant 3 different genera, that is Solanum, Petunia and Datura, they are placed in the same family Solanaceae. While if we take example of animals, the genus Panthera, it includes lion, tiger, leopard, they are included and they are put into genus Felis. Now the feature of a cat and a dog, there are some similarities no doubt, but there are some differences also. That's why they are put into 2 separate families like Felidae and Canidae. Now, as we have seen that the categories like species, genus and families, they were based on number of similarities, that is number of similar characters, right? Now, as we go higher in the category, that is order. Now, order and other higher categories are identified on the basis of some aggregate characters. Aggregate characters means in a broad way. In a broad way, we consider them. Order as a higher category is the assemblage of families which exhibit few similar characters. The similar characters, they are less in number as we go higher and higher in the taxonomical category. Example I give you, the plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in the order Polymoniales, and they are based on their floral characters, how the flower of those plants are, on the arrangement of their floral characters. And the animal order, like we say Carnivora, that is carnivorous. Carnivorous includes families like Felidae and Canidae, right, in which the cats and the dogs are also included. The next higher category in the taxonomy is class. The class includes the related orders. How it is, for example, because with the example we can understand very easily, like monkey, gorilla and gibbon, they are placed in primata order, clear? And the animals like tiger, cat and dog are also, they are placed in carnivora, but here in class they are put in Mammalia class. So in this way, this example we see that the characters are taken in a very broad sense. Thank you friends for watching Ultimate Education Center study video 11th biology class, The Living World Part 3. It is in English, and we will be very shortly publish another Hindi explained version for you, for your convenience as per the demand of some of the students. Till then, have a nice time.